Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to change the wallpaper on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max or any other iPhone which is running with iOS 26. So let's get started. Now the very first thing which you need to do is to open up your settings. From settings, you scroll down to wallpaper. And then from here on, in order to either add a wallpaper or change the wallpaper, you can do that. You can also have the option to add a new wallpaper just pressing on the add new wallpaper button. Now I'm going to be adding a new wallpaper. Just tap on the add new wallpaper and this will open up your wallpaper settings. Now you have the option to select a photo or any of the other options are going to be available. Additionally, you can also have the set of wallpaper pre-customized on your phone. So for example, if I wanted to select the iOS 26 one or even the new collection one from here, I can see here I have three different options. I can swipe to pick the one I want and then I can also add the widget if I like. You don't have to do it because it's an option. You can also change the clock size as well, something like this. And finally, just click on add when you are ready and set it as a wallpaper, or you can customize the home one to be different from the lock screen one. It's based on your personal preference. I'm going to be setting it as a pair. And after that, this is the new wallpaper. If I lock the phone, you will see that a new wallpaper has been applied. Additionally, you can also edit the wallpaper directly by pressing and holding from the lock screen here. When you long press and hold, it automatically will ask for your Face ID or passcode. And then you will click on that and it will go into this edit mode similar to how we did from the settings. And then here we go. You can click on customization and then change the wallpaper again and add the widget if you like. Now, after you have done that, click on done button and then tap on anywhere. And then you now have another wallpaper. So guys, these are the both ways through which you can change the wallpaper or set a new wallpaper for your iPhone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.